Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we're doing a first oil change on a 2019 Ford F-250 6.7 Powerstroke. First thing you need to do, these babies are tall, so you need some kind of step to get up to it. You're gonna open up your fill cap. So this takes 10 weight 30 or 5 weight 40. We're going to put 5 weight 40 in it because we're in the desert. It's summertime. It's going to be in the 105s and 110s for the next 2 to 3 months. Okay, so this is the 5,000 mile service. That's opened up. That's sitting right there. I ran the truck for 2 minutes to warm up the oil. And you're going to need a 16 millimeter to get the bolt out of the oil pan, and we're going to do that next. Okay, your drain plug is right back here, 16 millimeter, faces towards the rear of the vehicle, right at the bottom of the pan right there. So we're going to take that out and drain it in. Make sure you have like a 5-gallon bucket. That's what I use, and just a Home Depot bucket, regular Home Depot bucket. And then you can put that into your whatever you're gonna throw the oil out at AutoZone or O'Reilly. But I use this just to make sure. No way to overfill it, because this is 5 gallons and there should be about 3, I think there's 13 quarts in here, so that would be a little over 3 gallons. All right, gonna unload it right now. Oil change, I'm changing out the drain bolt, and I'm putting this Fumoto F-106N as in Nancy. F-106N. And this is going to make it no fuss, no muss. Just drain it by opening the valve instead of getting your hands dirty, having the oil splash all over the place. So I'm going to replace what I have in there with this. That's the next step. The engine is still draining right now. Well, there's the oil, fully drained. And it is black as night. And I would suggest, if you have one of these 6.7s and you bought it brand new, that you don't wait till the computer says the oil's ready to change. I would change it at 5,000 miles. My computer said I still had 45% left on the oil, so that means I would have went to about 9,000, 9,500, something like that. You have, on a brand new motor, you're gonna have all kinds of shavings, all kinds of pollutants and everything, and the oil's going to be cleaning the engine and you know, getting the valves, or not the valves, the rings seated and everything. So I would change the oil at 5,000 if I was you. And this is a perfect example of how it looks. All right, I'm going to take the filter off next, and then we're going to install the new valve. This is the oil we'll be using. Rotella T6 5 weight 40. Okay, you're gonna need, this is 10 quarts here. This is 2.5 gallons. It's cheaper if you buy it in the big jug, and then you're gonna need an extra one of 1 gallon. So that's gonna give you 14 quarts. You need 13 quarts. Okay. Okay, so we have the oil filter off, and we're draining. And you have to open this plug back up. You need to, because once that seal is broken up there, it's gonna have more oil come down into the pan. So make sure your bolt is out, and let them both drain. It's gonna take probably 5 or 10 minutes for it to drain all the way. All right, so that's where we are right now. Then we're gonna put the valve in and close it once this finishes draining, and then we're gonna put a new filter on. And the new filter is, I'm using Wix. Okay, I'm using a Wix filter, and it's 57151 XP, and this is for full synthetic. I'm putting in T6, Rotella T6. So this is for full synthetic oils. 57151 XP, Wix XP filters. And we're going to use Rotella T6 5 weight 40. is what I'm putting in. All right, so I'm letting that drain and we'll come back. Okay, so new oil filter is in, the Wix XP oil filter, and we have the drain plug in. And I'm gonna have the, I haven't tightened it, this is just hand tight. So you need a 19 millimeter, and you're just gonna, it says to put it hand tight and then go another 1/8 turn. So I'm gonna have it sit just like that. That's a 1/8 turn right there. That way the pan is lower than the valve, and the valve won't get damaged. All right, the next step is to put in, I believe it's 13 quarts of oil. So we're gonna put the oil in, but this is done as far as the oil change. So you take out the original, is right here, is the original, that's a 15 millimeter, no, sorry, 16 millimeter. That was a 16 millimeter bolt, flange bolt. Take out your old filter, drain everything out, and then put the filter in. I put the filter in first and let this continue to drain, and then I put this on here. Now clean all this up with some brake cleaner. Get all the oil off of everything, otherwise you're going to have dust and dirt sticking to your pan. So I've got to spray that down, and then it's all finished underneath, and then I'll just put the oil in. All right, Mike Machine's out.